In a stunning turn of events, former FBI Director James Comey has been indicted on charges of making false statements and obstructing justice, just days after President Donald Trump publicly urged the Department of Justice to take immediate action against him and other perceived adversaries. This indictment, which occurred on Thursday, is a significant development in the ongoing political drama surrounding Comey, who is now scheduled to appear for his arraignment on October 9th. Comey expressed his dismay in a heartfelt video shared on Instagram, stating, "My heart is broken for the Department of Justice. I have great confidence in the federal judicial system, and I am innocent. So let's have a trial and keep the faith." His charges stem from his testimony before the Senate Judiciary Committee in 2020, where he discussed the FBI's investigation into Russian interference in the 2016 presidential election. According to court documents, a grand jury chose not to pursue an additional charge against him for another alleged false statement made to Congress. Attorney General Pamela Bondi took to social media to emphasize the principle that no one is above the law, asserting that the indictment demonstrates the Department of Justice's commitment to holding individuals accountable for misusing their power and misleading the public. She stated, "We will follow the facts in this case," reinforcing the seriousness of the allegations against Comey. If found guilty, Comey could face a maximum sentence of 5 years in prison, although it is noted that actual sentences for federal offences are often less severe than the maximum penalties outlined. In a surprising twist, Comey's son-in-law, Troy Edwards Jr., resigned from his position as a national security prosecutor in the Eastern District of Virginia shortly after the indictment was announced, highlighting the personal ramifications of this legal battle. This indictment follows Trump's dismissal of Eric Siebert, the U.S. Attorney for the Eastern District of Virginia, who had reportedly expressed skepticism about pursuing charges against Comey and other political figures, including New York Attorney General Letitia James. Trump quickly appointed Lindsey Halligan, a White House aide and his former defense attorney, to lead the office, despite her lack of prosecutorial experience. This move has raised eyebrows and sparked debate about the motivations behind such appointments. Interestingly, federal prosecutors in Virginia had previously informed Halligan that they could not establish probable cause to charge Comey. Yet, despite these concerns and the absence of compelling evidence, Halligan sought an indictment from the grand jury, which has led to questions about the integrity of the legal process in this case. Comey's legal counsel, Patrick J. Fitzgerald, firmly stated, "Jim Comey denies the charges filed today in their entirety. We look forward to vindicating him in the courtroom," indicating a strong defense strategy is anticipated. In a series of social media posts, Trump praised Halligan's appointment, claiming it was necessary to get things moving, after criticizing Siebert for his reluctance to pursue what Trump described as a great case. This situation has escalated tensions and raised concerns about the politicization of the justice system, a point that Comey has been vocal about since his firing by Trump during the latter's first term. The investigation into Comey began in early August, coinciding with Trump's renewed calls for prosecutions related to the alleged Russian interference in the 2016 election. Sources indicate that the inquiry in the Eastern District of Virginia is being conducted alongside investigations in the Western District of Virginia and the Eastern District of Pennsylvania, all stemming from the discovery of sensitive documents related to the Russia probe at FBI headquarters. Investigators are scrutinizing Comey's testimony regarding Hillary Clinton's alleged connections to Trump and Russia. This case is poised to be a pivotal moment for both the Justice Department and the federal judiciary, raising questions about the balance of power and the potential for political retribution. As this story unfolds, it invites a broader discussion. Are we witnessing a legitimate pursuit of justice? Or is this a politically motivated attack? What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments below.